now we're on to look 3 today. I'm going to do my eyes first today because I'm going to be using some dark shadows out of my palette. So we'll be using some of these and probably this one here. So I'm going to go in with a little fluffy brush first, and I'm just going to use this colour here. Already put my eye primer on. This is a really pigmented colour. And I've done my eyebrows, but I haven't done my base or anything. So I'm going to get my little colour switch makeup brush cleaner, so I can buff that colour out a bit because it's really pigmented. And then I'm going to go into this orange shade here. So although this is a shimmer shade, I am going to fluff this out into the crease a bit because I want that orange colour coming up. I think if I buff it out enough, it won't look too shimmery. So adding a bit of that orange colour, a bit of warmth. Go in with a little flat but fluffy kind of brush and go into the cream. I'm going to go back into that fluffy brush and just blend that out. Then I'm going to go into my BYS concealer brush, my flat one, and I'm going to go into, I'll go into this dark brown here. And I'm going to pack that all over the lid. Kind of like a reverse cut crease, so instead of having the light bit on the lid, I'm having the dark bit on the lid. And then I'm going to go in with the same brush and I'm going to go into the shimmer darkest brown there. I really like this brush. I have to see if I can get another one of these, I think, because I always want to use it for more than one colour. Go into some more of that shimmery orange, and I'm going to add a bit more. Then I'm going to go into this goldy shade here and put that in the inner corner. The other reason why I am doing my eyes first today is because I'm not sure if what I'm going to do is going to work today. So I may end up having to try again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my white eyeliner. So I'm going to get my NYX white liquid eyeliner. And I'm going to do some flowers. I'm going to try anyway. I don't know how I'll get on with this brush. Okay, I'm gonna, yeah, when I'm drawing the flower, I have to put my eyebrow up so I can see, but then when I put my eyebrow down, I realise I put it in the wrong place because you can't see it, so they need to be more up here, so I'm going to have to change that. Okay, we'll try that again. And then I'm going to get my Vivid Brights NYX liquid liner in violet. And I'm going to use that to just put a little dot in each flower. So that wasn't too hard. So now I'm going to do the rest of my face and then my lower lash line. I'm going to do my lower lash line now. So I'm just going to go in with, first of all, that shimmery orange shade. I'm going to go into a little small brush and go into the matte orange. I'm going to get my brown pencil and I'm going to do the waterline. And I'm going to go over that with the darkest brown in the palette. I'm going to go into my black Rimmel waterproof pencil to tightline my eyes. I'm going to try and do a little wing. I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner for that.